Hi there, my name is Robert Hone, and I'm the K-12 Director of STEM for the Mamaroneck Schools. At the end of last school year, we introduced you to our new state-of-the-art CoLAB here at the high school. Well, this year, we have over 200 students in our new STEAM Studio course, which introduces them to the 4 disciplines of engineering, architecture, design, and computer science. Throughout the year, students rotate through these disciplines via mini courses, which run almost concurrently with our marking period system. And each mini course ends with an authentic group project where students share ideas and learn from one another. We've been documenting student progress throughout the year and have also surveyed students about their experience in the STEAM Studio to date. We are thrilled that 90% of respondents either somewhat or strongly agreed that they are enjoying the STEAM Studio class. What's more, over 50% say that while they entered the class focused on one of the 4 disciplines, they've since gained an interest in at least one of the other disciplines. Here's what some of our students have to say about this innovative new course.
In the beginning of school year, I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and I feel like this class is just a great way to explore what I like best.
I worked in coding in my spare time, and I really like the aspect of making something from nothing. And I realized that while coding is really fun, I preferred making that nothing from something with physical things instead of with code. And that's kind of engineering.
Knowing at least a little bit about any of the 4 disciplines is going to help me in other areas. Let's say I want to pursue coding. I need to know a bit of engineering. I need to know a bit of architecture. So I think the whole STEAM Studio experience helps me get a bit of prior knowledge on everything before I choose to pursue one thing.
Just recently, not in engineering, but in computer science, we had an inchworm project where we had to code how an inchworm would work. Then we also had to synthesize a physical inchworm to move, which is kind of a combination of both coding and engineering. And that was a really fun project. It took some thinking because inchworms are alive and our model is not. But once you got it done, it was pretty satisfying.
We had to come together, and there were things that I had never even thought of that other people in my group thought of, and we were able to just merge our ideas together to make an even better project.
A lot of times during STEAM, when we're doing a project, the teachers actually encourage us to, go to our peers and ask for help and see what maybe they're doing and try to use their ideas to better your project.
We learned about human-centered design, which was focusing how to help other people through design outlets, and I also learned about the design thinking process and learning how I can help people through designing products and organizations and stuff like that.
You get to see this whole world of different spaces, and overall it's divided into 4, and it's all these classrooms, but it makes you feel like I have the freedom to explore what I want to do, but in a specific kind of space, and it's really cool.
Or when I'm going to go into engineering, we'll be doing perspective drawings to draw on a model, which you need architectural skills for. You need to code a part to move in a certain way, or a motor, so that's computer science. And you need to make a presentation of what you've done, and you need to go through that design process of how you're going to make your object work, which is design.
I think you should definitely do it. It's 100% worth it.
This class gives me options.
I plan to take engineering next year.
As you heard, one aspect of the STEAM Studio course that our students find so valuable is that it exposes them to many new experiences and ways of thinking through the design thinking process. Throughout the year, they've had the opportunity to learn from teachers who are experts in their discipline. They've evaluated information and collaborated with their peers to brainstorm and refine ideas to create projects during each marking period. And now, in the final month of the school year, they will take a truly interdisciplinary approach to a final project that combines all 4 disciplines. We are so excited to see what they come up with and look forward to sharing those projects with you as well. If you'd like to take just a few more minutes, I invite you to watch some more video of students working on additional assignments from throughout the year.
It's a mix of a Bernese Mountain Dog and a Samoyed for the body, and then it has wings like a Pegasus and webbed feet like Shadad.
We divide something into 4 quarters and then copy it onto here, and then
We won our first round, but we lost our second round.
Why was that important to you? Because you think it's boring or because you think it's cool?
I never thought that I would be like creating a brand and stuff.
I never thought I would consider like other people's impact or like their opinion so much when creating like our project because it's just the two of us. But I feel like that's what makes this class so special is that we consider the opinions of everyone else in order to create our individual projects.
Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the MHS CoLAB and our brand new STEAM Studio course.